Welcome. In front of me I have GoPro HERO 9 and I'm going to show you how we can check the voice control commands. At the first we have to open this notification bar, then just slide, open the settings, click on the voice control, and right now scroll down and click on the commands. And here we got all commands that works in the English language, so we can try to say GoPro turn off. Okay, maybe we have to go back to the normal mode. GoPro turn off. GoPro turn off. Okay, and right now we can say GoPro turn on. GoPro turn on. Yeah, it is working. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.